The long-awaited Igbo course is here. Our comprehensive Igbo language course has been launched and it's now available for you to enroll. This Igbo course is comprehensive and complete and is a very detailed basics Igbo course that focuses on the foundations of Asusu Igbo. This particular course, as you get to understand once you enroll, is made up of different topics, beginning with the ancestry of the Igbos. Because this course is the foundational course, we have started with the basics of Igbo language, but even before we get into the language itself, we delved into the ancestry and the origin of the Igbos so that you get to understand who the Igbos are and where they come from. We now went into the alphabet, the ABD Igbo, that is Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo, which is the fundamentals of the Igbo language. Remember, without the alphabet, there won't be any language. So we delved into the alphabet, the Mkpụrụ Edemede Igbo, which are 36 in number. We studied it, looked at each of the letters, reviewed words that can be formed with them, made sentences with them, and then even went beyond that to go into the sounds. Remember, each of those alphabets have their various sounds. So we studied the sounds and how they are put into use. So this course is very comprehensive and is complete. There is much more to it. Once you click on the link in the description, you review the course and take a look at what we have prepared for you. Then you enroll.
Okay,